Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1201 of 1516 Upper Deck Trilogy. Last thing that didn't break was the Edmonton Oilers on February 2nd, 7:32 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current date and time, click refresh. It's currently Wednesday, February 3rd at 12:48 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered our break page, really appreciate if you did. You can register your account there and scroll down and see everything else in the queue here. We do have a couple teams left in the team select. We'll probably post one more team select tonight, so I'll definitely check that out. We are live on breakers here as per normal. 1201, and these will be boxes 7 and 8 from the case. So we'll probably see our numbers just because we listed our break before we posted our case. So we'll post Trilogy break 1195 below. We reference the box number. Onto boxes 7 and 8. So 1626 and 1501. So the last box we haven't listed on eBay yet, but we'll probably post that. Maybe we'll post it tomorrow there instead of doing a quad break. We'll for 5 and in 5 days from now with the last box with one loose one. Oops. This is out of the camera here. Okay, so turning this back around here. So here we go, everyone. On to Trilogy. So this is hand number 7 here. 1626. Sorry about that. That's sitting on my mouse pad. There's wow, this keyboard's super sensitive. So here we go, everyone. You guys can still see it there. And we start the break off with a Rookie Premiers Level 3 for the Montreal Canadiens of Jacob Delarose, number 9 of 49 for Montreal. Jacob Delarose. I don't like the foil, how it doesn't respond very well with the camera here. Got a Rookie Premiers Level 2 of Nick Cousins out of 499 for the Philadelphia Flyers. And we have a Triptychs jersey for the Buffalo Sabres of Jack Eichel. Jack Eichel. On to the Buffalo Sabres. Number 84 of 250. Base. And we got a Pecorine career statistics. 345 of 381 for the Preds. We have a Rookie Premiers of Jake Virtanen, 999 for the Canucks. We have a career statistics for the Detroit Red Wings of Gustav Nyquist out of 413 for Detroit. Peace. And a Rookie Premiers of Artemi Panarin out of 999 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Artemi. Base. And finishing up the break with a Patrick Waugh career statistics out of 551 for the Avalanche. Or finishing off box 1, sorry. And on to our second box. 1501. That's hand number 8 there. just going to put the base card down. Look for a redemption over. And a redemption is for a signature pucks, primary logos, no numbering for the Boston Bruins of Malcolm Subban. Malcolm Subban going out to the Boston Bruins. And a level 2 rookie premieres for the Arizona Coyotes of Henrik Samuelsson of $4.99. The Coyotes. Base. And we have a triptychs, looks like a patch for the LA Kings of Jeff Carter. Jeff Carter, number 18 of 25. Could be a glove piece too. And base. And going out to the Edmonton Oilers, we got a rookie premieres out of $9.99 of Mr. Connor McDavid. Had himself a very good return today. Pretty nice goal here tonight. And our next one is a career statistics of Marc-Andre Fleury out of $5.95, the Pittsburgh Penguins. And a rookie premieres of Nikolai Goudobin out of $9.99 for the San Jose Sharks. And a career statistics of Ryan Suter out of $7.49 for Minnesota Wild. And base. And final pack of our break. And finish up with a career statistics of John Tavares out of 401. John Tavares. 401 and base. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got, I think we got a case break of game use tomorrow and just double game use, I think, ending tomorrow night. And about 4 or 5 nights from now, we'll have more Black Diamond. So there we have it, guys.